Let's go get that money. Hey guys, Gamblin Granny here. We're at the Ameristar in Kansas City, Missouri. We're going to try something a little bit different today. I have $110 in $5 bills. We're in the high limit room. We're going to try this best bet, putting $5 in at a time to see if we can get that lucky chance spin. This happened on Blue Collar Slots live stream with Blue Collar and Dice the other night. They got a hand pay, so we're going to see if we can get something. Let's check it out. And here are the progressives up there. That would be pretty sweet. All right, guys, we just put $5 in this machine. All right, Dice, you're gonna have to explain to me how you and Blue Collar did this.
I have no idea. We had a couple of apple juices.
Oh, well, that explains it.
But yeah, basically you're just gonna bet more than what you have in the machine. It's gonna give you your last chance lightning bolt spin, you know?
Okay, so I wanna hit play. So it'll bring me the lightning bolt.
Make sure you're here. You wanna hit higher than your bet.
All right, then.
Oh, there's the lightning bolt.
Okay, so return to game.
No, now you can just hit the bolt.
Okay.
And do we get a spin? And we got a spin.
We got a spin, okay.
And will anything land? And, oh, that was so close. Now what we did, if he got anything
you cashed out.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we cashed out.
All right.
Okay, so feed another
here
5
goes
in.
another 5. All right, get in there.
These are brand new 5s. These should all work.
Here it goes.
And then we'll try a $15 spin.
Okay.
$5 in it. So
okay, go ahead.
This is how we did.
All right.
Now your chances of getting a lucky spin lessen as you go higher in the denom.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we got nothing there. Okay. So here's another 5.
Yeah, you gotta watch that live stream. Blue and Dice on Ice. It was so much fun. And here you go. Or you can press the blue button if it's easier.
Nothing on that one. Okay. So here's another 5.
5 in. Let's do a $25 bet. Hit the bolt. Come on, spin me, baby.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, another 5. Now which one?
Do a 10, I guess. Your odds of hitting a spin on that is supposedly 50-50. Blue was doing the math, so I don't know.
Here goes another 5.
That's what I was told.
All right. So should we try a 50?
You can. You might get it. You might not. You hit it.
Okay. You guys were lucky and got the...
Yeah. We got a $50 spin and got a spin and got the bonus. You'll have to watch that replay of that live stream to see what it paid, but it was epic. Oh, this is not panning out.
No.
This is not spinning like I was hoping it would spin. Come on. Do another 10. Come on, spin me. We were getting more spins. Especially on the $10 bet. All it takes is one.
I know.
All it takes is one. How many 5s you got left in your?
I got all these.
In your hot hands.
You're gonna make me count.
Let's feed one in there and then count.
4, 5.
Okay, another 5 in there.
Got 12 more.
Let's do a 15.
Oh, come on. Come on. Winner. Oh, not doing it.
Any of you guys, if anybody has tried this, leave a comment down below on how did it work out for you. Okay, $10 bet, hit the bolt. Wow. At least tease us with a spin.
Let me do one.
Okay. You're going 15. And we'll go good now. Land something.
Come on, land something. Come on. Nope.
You didn't land a dang thing.
All right.
At least you got the spin. That's better than nothing.
Let's try 25. Come on. Nope.
So basically, we're making $5 bets per spin.
Yeah.
That's what you do, but I mean.
10.
Hey,
Okay.
we got a spin. We got a spin. We got a spin. Come on, land something. One more, two more.
Oh, or horses.
Yeah. What was that last bet? A $10 spin? Okay, let's do
Yeah,
it. Let's do it.
we got
15.
seven. We got 7 more fives.
7 more chances. Yep. One for the 25.
Nope.
We're getting down to the nitty gritty. Let's see it. I'll go 10. Come on.
There we
And
go.
Land
Land
something.
something.
Two
Come on,
more.
bonus. Oh, darn it. Well,
no.
we got a little something.
Oh,
$3.
$3.
So what do? You do
Well,
it again, or did he cash out?
Yeah, he cashed out. So we only got $3 on the machine, so we'll just cash that out.
Okay.
And so out of our investment, we've got a big $3 back so far. Okay, come on.
All right, let's go.
$5. You go wherever you think. Yeah, wherever you
Do
think.
10 again. Come on. No. Okay, we got 4 left.
Okay. I'd say hit that $50 bet. Especially after a non-spin. Okay, bolt me, baby. Come on. Nope. We're down to 3 more spins, guys. Can we do it? $15. Boom. Lucky. Nope.
Nope.
2 more
2
spots.
more spots.
2 more chances. $110 in. $3 back so far.
All right, let's do 10.
Oh,
Okay.
come on, now land something. Bonus.
Come on.
Bonus.
Nothing. Last one.
Last $5 chance.
Maybe. Come on, you've been going in great.
That's what she said.
There it goes. Let's do $10 again.
That's your best chance of getting a spin. Come on. And
We
we
got
got
it.
our
Come
last
on.
spin.
Come on. And nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Oh well.
All right, guys, that didn't work out for us. But check out Blue Collar Slots. Him and Dice did Blue Collar and Dice on Ice. It's linked below. Check it out because it can happen. Check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.